This is a how-to guide to using CiteMaker, a referencing tool, and bibliography maker. The first thing you need to do is access the CiteMaker website. This has been customised for Somerville House users. You firstly need to register. You key in your name, your Somerville House email address, confirm the email address, indicate whether you are a student or a teacher. Have a look at the usage policy, tick the box, and then register. Very important you use your Somerville House email address so that CiteMaker can identify you as a Somerville House user. Once you are registered, you will then receive an email immediately giving you a password. You can then log in to CiteMaker. When you log in, you are encouraged to change your password so that it is your My Somerville password, and this will allow you to remember it. You are now able, once registered and logged in, to access CiteMaker and the options to source different resources for in-text referencing or for a full bibliography. So if we look under books, you can make a bibliography or in-text referencing for a book or an e-book or a chapter from a book. If we look at digital, we've got options for interviews or podcasts or the television. And the sample we're going to do for this demonstration is we're going to look at sources under the heading Internet, and then we're going to select on website. And this is when you start to see the little fields appearing. If you can identify at the top that the tab is on Harvard AGPS, and this is the referencing style that is used at Somerville House. I'm now just going to key in all the details for creating a bibliography and in-text referencing for a website. So I've keyed in all the information for a website, and in the top preview screen you can see that it's creating the full bibliography entry, and in the screen below under the tab In-Text it's creating an option for in-text referencing. Before I go any further, once I've keyed everything in, I'm going to select Save. It clears the screen because you might want to add extra bibliography entries, but you can see that it saved it there under the preview for bibliography, and under in-text I've got a number of options there. So firstly, just for in-text referencing, I'm just going to say that I want to copy and then go into my assignment, and I just want to paste. So straight away you've got a simple option for in-text referencing. It creates it in CiteMaker, copy and paste into Word. In regard to the bibliography, obviously you're going to get numerous sources there on the list, and then you can actually create a My Sites list, which is just confirming that referencing style is Harvard AGPS, and you can actually give it a heading, and it will save all those entries under My Sites, and you can always then access that. It will be saved, accessible from home or school. And then once your bibliography is compiled, it's down there as well for you to access under My Sites. But here we're just going to export it into Word. And there it is. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how to use CiteMaker, accessing it, registering, logging in, and how to compile in-text referencing as well as a bibliography. Any feedback would be gratefully received by Mrs. B or Mrs. McGarry. Thank you.